A boundary, as defined by Webster's dictionary, is something that indicates or fixes a limit or extent. They mark the territory of your backyard, the land between two nations, and the office space in which you sit. Boundaries are not only physical, they can be self-imposed. They are between you and the places you do not travel to, the people you choose not to speak to, and the opportunities you do not pursue. In business, boundaries can find growth and advancement. Boundaries may be personal, client-related, age and experience-related, discipline-related, market-related, and geographic. Our success is dependent upon our ability to overcome both real and self-imposed boundaries. At Kleinfelder, we have started to overcome these boundaries, and these are some of our stories.
I overcame a market boundary. My goal was to translate innovation into a new business practice, one that combines sustainability with risk. Overcoming this boundary required a shift in our approach, a realignment in resources, and an open mind to try something new. As a result, we are now providing clients with this unique offering and positioning Kleinfelder as a leader in this new market. From this experience, I've learned that innovation can be a powerful tool for translating challenges into new opportunities.
We overcame the national boundary to begin growing our company globally. Mixed results in the past have made the idea of developing operations outside the U.S. seem too risky. This, coupled with the growing, complex nature of the world, recent years of political unrest, and economic challenges, have made that risk seem even greater. Stepping outside the familiar territory of your own country requires climbing a huge barrier. Overcoming this boundary was catalyzed by our strategic direction and the imperative to grow globally in order to spread our risk and ensure a sustainable business for the long term. Challenged with this objective, we looked to our fellow employee owners and our clients, where we were able to find significant global experience and opportunities, both of which made the barriers seem quite a bit smaller. With organic starts in Australia and Canada, now enhanced with acquisitions, we learned that in many ways, the people in our industry and the problems they solve are the same worldwide. The differences that do exist can be challenging. However, for the most part, they are exciting, interesting, and rewarding, helping us to better understand and appreciate our business everywhere.
I overcame an age and experience boundary. I found myself trapped in the junior staff catch-22. PMs wouldn't use me on projects because I didn't have enough experience, and I didn't have experience because I wasn't being used on projects. I realized that in order to get the training I needed to advance my career, I would have to find advocates who I trusted and believed in my abilities, be honest about my abilities or lack thereof to myself and others, and be prepared to meet high standards and not be afraid to fail. I learned that a core group of advocates, along with a willingness to do any task, no matter how insignificant or mind-numbing, instilled trust in the PM. As PMs began to trust me, I was given progressively more complex tasks until I found that I had surpassed my original training goals.
We overcame a geographical boundary. Our client wanted Kleinfelder to provide wastewater treatment design, construction, operation and management services to the Adelaide refinery in support of the facility's demolition. This posed major geographical boundaries in that 1. Kleinfelder was not operating in Australia at the time. 2. Once operating in Australia, Kleinfelder did not have a local Adelaide office. And 3. Kleinfelder did not have all the required capabilities available in Australia. In order to maintain our relationship with the client and provide them with the right solutions, we utilised talent in both Melbourne and Adelaide, Australia, as well as from New York, Massachusetts, Colorado and Seattle. Regardless of the client issue, we know that we have the ability to meet our clients' needs despite the location and perceived geographical boundaries.
At Kleinfelder, collaboration across boundaries enables us to leverage our collective expertise to address client challenges with innovative and practical solutions versus relying on a single person or office. This also enables us to perform and deliver on projects better than the competition virtually anywhere on the planet. Reach across your self-imposed boundaries and those created by others to clarify how you can help Kleinfelder serve our clients.